Damage Boy Darmac, Bills and Brightway Insurance. I'm here on one of my projects here. If you've been watching this process or progress, you have seen when we were digging out for the footers, and we're starting to put the forms in. This is on one side of the house here. We got everything dug out. There's one section that I have to dig out by hand, but you know, it is what it is. But as you can see here, this is one side of the house here. We got forms that's going to go up here in the middle. And hopefully, I would say by next week, we should have it all formed. And then we're going to put rebar and everything in here. I got to add dirt in this because the dirt has to be at the bottom of the forms here. See that? This gap, that has to be filled up with dirt. See, because we dug out a little bit too much dirt. That's going to be done by hand, by the way. But the dirt is really good here. It's soft, shouldn't be a problem. We'll start putting that in once we get all the forms up. We'll compact it, make it nice and dense, so when we do our density test, it shouldn't have no problems in passing. So the other day, we had those forms built over there, those for the pads. As you can see, they're starting to go in where they belong now. Right now, you see just a clump of dirt. Don't just block that out. That dirt is not going to be there. And we got one pad here, 2, 3, 4. As you can see, there's someone in place. We're going to, you know, they're in appropriate spots right now, but we're going to level them up, make sure they're centered. As you can see on the box there, we have a line with a C on it. I don't want it because I may not be able to get out. No, I'm just kidding, you guys. I'll be able to get out. See right here? That's the center line. So this string line is going to be right where that center line is, right? So we'll line that up, get that level, and do all that. And then that's the other box, and that's the other box. How many got? 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, we got 6 boxes, and we got more to do. So I'm walking through, and I got to dig hand. This is an area over here where we got to dig out by hand. They're gonna hate me for that, but it's soft dirt. We got 8 hours. You know, 4 or 5 guys sit here, take a break. We'll do what we do, and we got string everywhere. Can't really, you know, I can explain to you what the strings are, but the strings mostly gonna keep us honest. Where the corner should be, where the edge of the wall should be, all that good stuff, okay? So, string from there, which is a yellow string, pink string, whatever. And even though it's colored in terms of, you know, like yellow, green, I trip over every now and then. So we have a box here. Okay, you see down there? That's part of it. So all that's going to eventually be poured solid. Okay, so you guys will know. All that's going to eventually be poured solid. They're playing golf over there. You're going to see another. Yeah, they're playing golf behind me. But anyways, but this is what we got here going on here. So today was a good day. A lot of stuff is getting done. Is this the area I got to dig out? Yeah, I got to dig this area out. Darn it. Because I can't get them another machine in here just for that, right? It doesn't really make sense from a financial standpoint. Get a machine, unload, come around, work around the dirt, come on this side, and dig it out. So we're going to do it on our own. It's called manual labor. Anyways, as you can see here, everything is been railed up. This is not, I think this is the height. And we do put a laser on top of this to make sure we at the elevation. So this footer here, what you see here, the top of this footer is 2 feet below the finished floor. So you'll never see this in life. It's going to be buried forever. Right? It's going to be buried forever. All right. Got wood here, here. So tomorrow should be another good day. I'm not going to say we're going to be completely done tomorrow, but we should be, I would say, like 70% done with all the forms. They may surprise me. We got stakes already lined up here. You see the stakes right here. So you kind of like anticipate where you're going to be. So that's one thing that I pride myself is. It's like anticipate what the next move is going to be. You know you're going to need stakes. Put them right there. Put them right there. Put them over there. Put them over there. So guys are not just walking around. They're already in place. See, if I get down here, how do I get up? All right, let me just bounce down here for a second. Okay. All right, so I'm walking where some more foot is going to go. We're going to line it up as well. Walking like it may not make sense to you, but keep watching my videos. You're going to learn a lot. Make sure you go to my YouTube channel. You're going to see this same video, and you can always come back to it because I'm just showing you the basics. This is coming out of the mud, man. It's coming out of the dirt. Now, the problem is how I'm getting out of here. Huh. What a dilemma. Okay. I'll find our way. Your boy gonna get out. Don't worry about it. Here's another area we're gonna be pouring stuff in. It's like a maze, right? But I had to show you on the plans as far as how this all works out. All this is intentional. Oh, I see a spot. I see a spot right there. That's my spot where I'm getting out, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, we got a foot mark too. Oh, see? I'm so smart. But this is what we got right here. I want you guys to keep watching. Pay attention. I'm gonna get some more videos tomorrow. I'm probably try to do videos every day while I'm on this project, so you can see what's happening. All right. With that being said, peace.